this brand new space here that we're creating based on our equipment. You know, we like to move around the equipment and put things into perspective. So you know what? We're creating a little area for all our guests who like their recording. Yes, my people, you can actually be recording here, but you know, it's a relaxing spot right here, Paradise View. You know what I mean?
Didn't wanna know me when I was down. Oh no, oh. Didn't wanna know me at all. All I wanted was security. To build a home and start a family. Didn't wanna know me at all. Didn't wanna know me when I was down. Oh no, oh. Didn't wanna know me at all. Didn't wanna know me when chips were down. Didn't wanna know me when I was down. Oh no, oh. Didn't wanna know me at all. All I wanted was security. To build a home, start a family. Oh, oh, oh. Didn't wanna know me at all
Because foreign wasn't made for me. Yeah, because foreign wasn't made for me. Yes, my people, so it's a rehearsal space I've created. You know, David Chen here, very innovative. You know what I mean? And that was we try to create spaces of comfort for like-minded people. So, yeah, man, foreign wasn't made for me. This is what this one is called. Foreign wasn't made for me. You know, starting off with didn't want to know me because chips were down. You know what I mean? All we wanted was security to build a home and start a family. So this is it, people. The rehearsal space right here. Paradise View, David Chen here, exclusively a taste of our culture. For more information, check it out on www.thetasteofourculture.com. David Chen here, behind the scenes.
Didn't wanna know me when chips were down. Didn't
Acapella.
wanna know me when I was down. Oh, oh, oh. Didn't wanna know me at all.
Respect. Peace and love, David Chen. Remember, rehearsal spaces right here, Paradise View, exclusively, RSVP only, by reservation. You understand? Because we have to do the before, during, and after. All right, peace and love, David Chen. Love and love.